Did you check the fuel? Yes, I checked the fuel. I already told you twice. I filled it up. Maybe the couplings you made for the tubing are malfunctioning. Oh, here we go. So everything I built is faulty. Everything you built is gold. You know, I don't like your tone. Oh, really? Yes, really. You always get sensitive whenever they're festive. Yes, you're pulling that card right now. Right here, guys! Guys! Did you try the power switch?